Hi, this is Don Cheng. Okay, if you haven't watched my previous video, okay, for the tone shaping, please go and watch it, because you will get the idea of what kind of things that this gate do. Okay, so let's get into the kick. Okay, so we're gonna use the kick. Yeah, we're gonna use the gate to get the good clean kick. Okay. The sound that you're listening is from the kick microphone, right? So kick microphone, and there's a whole lot of things coming in. So not only just take the kick out, but we're gonna reshape the tones so we can have something that you and I like. Okay. So the initial things that we should do is reduce the release and hold. So I'm gonna just get the clean the top of the envelope, so we can redesign the envelope by the timing and the hold the levels, right? The envelope is the level changes according to the time pass. So okay, let's do that. So range is maximized, ratio is on the gate side, so not the some ratios in it. Okay, gate. Okay, threshold, I'm gonna go to like max, so 0 dB. Attack time, yeah, attack time. Let's think that we should go for 1 millisecond. 1 millisecond is the default. Okay, I'm gonna tell you why. Okay, so engage, no sound, right? The noise that you're listening is not from the kick, from this microphone. Okay, and then I'm gonna decrease the threshold to get the right amount. I mean, the right amount is the I'm not gonna get lost or I'm not gonna losing any beat, the basic tones. So if you set it up really high, you might not include the whole syncopations or 16th note or 8th note, because there is a velocity difference, right? So just see what kind of kick is. Okay, so you know the rhythms, and we can check it by the bypass on. And on the right side, there is an app called Mixing Station. Okay, that's a really good app for the iPad controlling, right? But I use that because it has the envelope on it, so that's nice. There's one thing kind of messed up is the range thing. The range is from the 0 dB above there, but it is not. It's just from the threshold, like I said. Okay, so we are taking the just trigger, kind of triggering the whole kicks. Like, yeah, the sounds like trigger, right? Just tap. This is enough. Not we don't need like whole body here, something like this. So just a tap here, because we can have body on the release and hold. Okay, that's a good amount, and I'm gonna use the hold first, not go with the release. Just as the picture here and the mixing station app, the fader movement is changing. If it's longer, we will get other sounds too, because it's just a matter of the time, not the threshold level, right? If you lower, we will get all other sound because of the threshold level, the level difference and time difference. Okay. So we are reshaping the kick as whatever that you want and whatever that I want, right? So we can actually control the depth of the actual kick drums. It's like longer or shorter, or it's like if the room is really roomy or like tight room. So we can control everything here. Okay, this seems right. Okay, and then we're gonna increase the release time to make more like fade out. So it's like we are controlling the release in the envelope sections. So hold, we can control the whole sustain. Some more natural drums that we're gonna have. So it sounds like the virtual instrument, like when you use Logic or some of the things and just press the kick note. There's the only kick, right? So we are getting that kick from this. Okay, it seems like a really easy and simple, but yeah, just please just try to do. Okay, just get into your DAW or mixer or live and just let the drummer play the kicks, or like record into the SD card just like I did. Yeah, drum recording and just loop recording and just practice, because the main goal we have to controlling this within maybe 10 seconds. So the gate is for 10 seconds, compress 10 seconds, EQ is another 10 seconds, then makes 30 seconds plus. So one channel times 30 seconds. If you have 24 channels, you have to have at least like a 13 or 14 or even 15 minutes to get the right amount or no right tone shaping procedure for your mix. So that's the skill that we are aiming for. Okay, so just practice a lot. All right, I think you get the idea of this thing, right? So what if I increase the attack time? What will happen? The sound is kind of decreasing, okay, kind of getting further, because the envelope, the transient energy in the source is kind of reducing. So actually we can control the tones with the attack time. If it's really bright like this, like too much bitter sound, then we can increase the attack to get a little more natural kick drums. Also, we can get rid of the old unwanted resonance in the drums, kick and snares and all other things. But just check this. There's like the resonance, right? We can control those. Yeah, normally like we put like pillows or some other mute there, right? Yeah, but if you're really good at this, you don't need any mute. And don't mute drums, because we will have more choices from it. If you mute it, there's a whole tones. There's a limit, right? There's a limitation that we can do about. Okay, so don't mute. Don't use any mute on the drums. Okay, and we can use gate to get the right amount. And just tell the drummer that they're gonna play the same velocity, and the gate and all other thing should be the same, because it will change it all the values. Okay, I think you know what I'm gonna try to tell you. Okay, all right, thanks for watching it, and let's keep digging. Okay, bye.